Hey, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another brand new video on my YouTube channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day as always, and in today's video I will be doing something super duper interesting because a company reached out to me by the name of gvgmall.com, and they told me that they have Windows 10 Pro keys. And I've done a video similar to this before, but this time I want to record myself because I told them clearly that I, as a content creator, want to make sure that I'm giving my subscribers and viewers authentic information. So I told them that I want to record myself going onto their website, creating an account, and buying a Windows 10 Pro key with my own money, own PayPal account, and see if that key works. Now, if you've been with the channel for a while, you know that I've already upgraded my Dell XPS 15 over to Windows 10 Pro. However, my friend just got his laptop back from warranty and I'm going over to reinstall Windows. So before that, I thought I might just give this key to him. Also, he helps me with recording videos and stuff, so I want to thank him for all of that. I'm gonna give him this key to activate, and he also has a Dell XPS 15, so it'll be a cool video for you guys. You guys can get a really good experience because you will be literally going through what I'm going through, because I'm going to act like a customer. You guys get the deal. I'm basically going as a disguised customer, not as the influencer, and they agreed to it, so hopefully they're prepared, and let's jump onto my computer and see what happens. Alright, so I'm on my laptop. As you can see, you can probably see the screen, and hopefully this green screen will work. And anyways, so I'm gonna head down to my Google Chrome and literally just search on gvgmall.com, search that up, and boom, so we are on the website. This is their official website, so all you have to do is search up Windows 10 Pro. Boom, and there's two keys, the retail key and the OEM key. The difference is that the retail key can be transferred onto a different computer. So let's say I have this XPS and later on I buy a Razer Blade 15, I can just simply change that key over to the other laptop. But the difference with the OEM key is that once I install it onto an XPS 15, it stays there forever and I can't change it. That's the reason why it's like a lot cheaper. So these are literally the keys that manufacturers buy when shipping out their computers. No, that's why they are able to give it for a cheaper price than the Microsoft price, because they buy these OEM keys. So that's exactly what we are buying. So just choose buy now. Alright, so this is the product page basically, and all you have to do is press buy now and you should be in the cart basically. So over here it's asking for a promotion code. You can go ahead and apply my code to get 18% off. This is the code GMTA Tech Alpha. So just go ahead and type that up, GMTA, and press apply. Boom, there you go, we got the check mark, and this $15, yep, there you go, it became $12.41. And let's go ahead and proceed to checkout. So you can pay with your regular credit card, Visa, MasterCard, whatever, and then PayPal. So I don't know about these, so I'm just gonna go with my PayPal account and just choose pay now. Once again, if it supports PayPal, it's most likely legit, so I'm gonna go ahead and press next. Log in with my PayPal and give it a second. I'm gonna see this. Let's see. It's logging me into my PayPal. I'm sorry, the internet connection is slow, I guess. Oh yeah, so I can pay with my PayPal balance, as you can see. So I'm just gonna go with okay. It's $12.41. Make PayPal balance my preferred way to pay. I don't want to choose that. Just go with next. And alright, your order has been created successfully, and your payment application, let me close that, has been submitted. This is my order number, so you might want to, you know, note down your order number maybe if you need help. Oh yeah, these guys have a live chat support as well. So I think by now I should have the key emailed to me. I'm gonna go check my Gmail real quick. So let's see what happens. By the way, did you guys see the new Gmail update? It actually looks good. Oh, there you go. Product key delivered. Let me close my Google. Alright, this is GVGmall. Your purchase product code is here. Thanks for your purchase. If you have any questions. Alright, let's go to this. Let's see if he got it. Oh, we got it. Oh yeah, this one I just added it to my cart. I didn't complete it. So here it is. Completed, view code or key. Alright, your order has already been verified. Get the key. Boom! We got the key. This is the key. I think it starts from right here. Probably gonna blur it out for you guys. But I'm gonna text this to my friend right now. I'm gonna tell him to record his laptop getting activated into Windows 10 Pro, and yeah, it's gonna be a good video. Hope you guys are enjoying it so far. So let's get on with that part. So a few days later, and my friend got back to me with some clips of him upgrading his laptop from Windows 10 Home to Windows 10 Pro, and I'll put the clips on for you, but I'm not going to show you the whole thing. It's literally a matter of fact of going into settings, updating security, choosing activation, entering the new key, and let just Windows identify that this is a Pro key, and they will automatically upgrade your computer just by restarting it, and when you're back, you'll literally be on Windows 10 Pro. It's just an easy step that I don't think I want to show you the whole thing. Instead, I'm going to tell you some reasons why I think upgrading to Windows 10 Pro is important or useful, and why I personally use Windows 10 Pro. So if you guys know, I've used Windows 10 Pro for a few months now. I had it on my own computer, and now I got it from my friend. So what are some features that I've ended up using from Windows 10 Pro? So if you watched my Fortnite video that I made, I used a built-in Windows 10 feature called Remote Desktop Connection, and this is a feature you get on Windows 10 Pro only. And you can literally control your laptop or computer using a phone or another laptop, and I think it's really useful, especially if you want to maybe take care of something when you're not at home. Maybe if you have multiple computers and you're at a different computer and you want to access it. So if you run a business, and the way I used it, I just made a fun video and played Fortnite on my Android device using that feature. And another feature that I actually do use is called BitLocker. So if you don't know about this, this is basically a built-in Windows Pro encryption system. I can go into my computer, plug in a USB or an external hard disk, and I can encrypt it. Now, it does take a while for the encryption to happen, but this encryption system allows you to password protect your device. So that means if I take my USB and connect it onto a different computer, I can only access it if I enter my security key or if I log into my Microsoft account to prove that I am the actual owner of this device. And it's a good encryption system because you're protecting your files, and it's just something that I personally do use on my hard disk, and I enjoy using it because I feel a lot safer. The third feature that I actually do use is virtualization. Windows 10 Pro allows you to run a virtual machine on your computer and set a partition of your hard disk just for a virtual machine built in. So you don't need anything like VirtualBox. You can literally do it from your system's built-in features. There are more features like delaying updates and using the special version of Windows Defender and Microsoft Edge that is like super secure and is used a lot of the times when you're doing super personal stuff or private stuff. It is the most secure web browser out there. I personally don't use it, so I can't speak too much about it, but you guys can do your own research about that. So these are pretty much the reasons that have led me to actually using Windows 10 Pro. At first I thought it's not worth it, especially not for $100 or $250, but when it's $12, I don't think I can really say no to it because I think the features are definitely worth $12. So once again, I will tell you, use the website GVG Mall and use my code GMTA for 18% off, so you'll get a Windows 10 Pro key for $12. Now, this is all up to you guys. If you feel like you need it, go ahead and do it. And also, in my next video, as you saw, my friend got Windows 10 Pro. I'm also going to be reinstalling Windows on his computer, so he'll end up with a super clean version of Windows along with Windows 10 Pro. So if you guys want to see that, you might want to say subscribe, because it's always important to have a fresh copy of Windows on your laptop. So with that being said, this is Tech Alpha signing out with today's video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.